Making a logo for your fashion business or any business is very easy. With all the logo maker apps on sites that are online, Canva is the best that you can ever use for your designing of logo. So what you want to do is you want to go down and check templates. So I do advise people that template is fine. Everybody can tell you to design things with whatever, design from scratch. But when you are just starting, simple, better use template and just change one or two things. That is the best thing you can do for yourself to do it fast and easy. You just need to know how to be creative and turn things around. We have different logos here. Just click on logo and you have different type of logo. So you want to make sure that you are using filter. So let's click on this filter. You want to click on logo, then team, business. Okay, let's click on fashion, business. Then you can apply. The color can come later. So yes, we have it here. So we want to create something that is very simple. We are going to look for a logo that can work with what we have. They are paid and they are free. Okay. So we have Samira, let's Marceline. So we have Samira Marceline. I'm going to just click here and change it to something else. Change it to Anna. Yes. Then click on Marceline. If you see that it is too small for you in your phone, you can increase it so you can see it very well. Edit the Marceline, then you use it as tagline and say enjoy. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to see if you can work on the format. Yes. So I'm changing it to small letter words. Also, if I want to change this logo, what I'll just need is to delete it, then add, click on plus to add an element. So I click on element, click on search from Canva, and I'm going to look for butterfly element. I like this butterfly elements, and that's what I want to use. So let's click here. Okay, so let's see if I can get another butterfly that can work for us. So I like to put everything together and maybe put something else. So let me look for add something else too. We'll look for the best and use it. So I'm going to put everything in one corner here. We can add something else to, like an element of shape. So let's look for a square. This is fine. Okay, I'm going to bring it down here. I can change the color to, let's say, deep blue, or okay, so I'm going to put this in. So I'm putting it under here so that I can change the position. So I come here, down here, slide. You want to slide and look for how you can change the position. Click on position and click on forward so that I can bring it to the front. So now I bring it down here. I can increase the size. So I'm trying to make it stay in the center. So I can still do this, change the color, change it to something like red, and see if it's going to fit in. Position to forward. Yes, yes, you like this? Don't you love this? So that's how things work sometimes. So you have to get creative. So this is looking very small, so I want to increase this. So I want to bring it up so I can add this butterfly as background. Then that's what you want to do, especially when you are using your phone, so that you can see very clearly. So you want to make sure that your alignment is also working. Your alignment is how straight and balanced it is. So I want to put a butterfly inside a butterfly. So when it comes to your own, you can put anything you think is going to work. Okay, so this is beautiful. So with the enjoy, I want to change the font. I don't like the font the way it is. And the format too, let's remove this, and we can adjust the spacing by clicking on spacing. Good. So let us leave it this way, let it stay that way. The butterfly I added before here, I want to click on it and delete it. The butterfly is getting too much. So with this is a very simple logo. You can check other fonts too and see if other fonts will work. Okay, let's leave this. I like this font. So if I try to shift, because this is not aligned, let's put this here. So we can try to center everything and let everything be in the center. But one thing that can help us is if we're able to put everything in a group so that we won't scatter it. So you click here on this, then you click on select multiple, click on the one inside, click on the one, everything inside, then click on Luana, click on enjoy, then you move to the middle. You can lock first of all, group. Okay, so since we've grouped it, we can shift it. We're already seeing the one that we didn't move, unfortunately. So can make this thing in the middle, so it's in the middle like this. Yes. So want to bring this, let's increase the look. Then this butterfly, we can bring it here. So like I said, if you want to change the position, click on position for bring it forward, and I want it to be at the back of the butterfly. I can now take it backward. So because everything is together now, so what I can do is I can ungroup. Everything. So when I ungroup, I'm able to direct this logo, this butterfly, anywhere I want. So let's take it backward. Yes. So we have a good logo already now. So let me shift the Luana a little bit to this side. Yes. So with this logo, so what we want to do is to download it. Up here, and if you want to do your design, you can do your own design, write words, write whatever you like. So it's saved to gallery, so whatever you like, you can use it for your business card, you can use it for anything you want to use it for. So when you want to use it, you will need to make it transparent. Transparent means that just this Luana will be removed without that white background. Just the Luana will be removed. So I will make another video, check the video on how I'm able to remove the background of a logo, and see how you can remove the background of a logo before you insert it into anything, maybe business card, maybe you want to use it for mock-up, maybe anything. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel.